Assalamualaikum, I am Zahid Farooq and you are watching your channel Health and Safety Knowledge. In the last lecture, let's quickly review what we have read so far. We studied about the slip, trips and fall hazards on the same level. Today we are going to discuss on the related topic. The subjective topic is safe movement of people in the workplaces. Now we are going to discuss on falls from height. Fall from height, even from low height, often cause very serious injuries and fatalities. Construction work usually routinely involve work at height. Now see what are the typical hazards that are usually presented or happened at work height, that are working next to unprotected edges of a roof, for example on a flat roof, on the deck of partially built scaffold, by the open doors of a lift, or when the lift is on other floor, by an excavation. The other is working on a fragile roof above a drop, on a skylight. Working on a fragile material above a drop is very commonly because these are the roofs which deteriorate with the passage of time, and the workers are usually not attentive while working at the fragile roof, and consequently a serious accident happened in form of injury and sometime unfortunately fatalities also. The next is using access equipment such as mobile elevated working platform or cherry picker. Using access equipment is usually used from there is need to access the portion that is going to be repaired or is maintained by using mobile elevated crane or a scissor type equipment that usually carry the worker from ground level to a certain height to perform their assignments. The next is using ladders such as step ladder, extension ladder and fixed vertical access ladder. The other one is standing on objects to reach at high levels, for example using a chair to reach the top shelf of a storage tank. Now these all were about the typical hazards that are related to falling from height. Now there are some other hazards that results with collisions, and what are those hazards? Let's see. Collision with moving vehicles. Typical hazards are pedestrian walkways that require pedestrian to walk in vehicle traffic routes, for example in a warehouse car park. The other is pedestrian crossing points. For example, the pedestrian have to go from one place to other place by crossing the vehicle movement points. The other is exit points that open onto vehicle traffic routes. The other is areas where people have to work adjacent to moving vehicles, for example roadworks, loading bays. Accident resulting from collision objects are types of hazards are again often very serious and cause severe injury or fatalities. These all hazards are very serious if they are not properly and correctly controlled at the workplaces. Then a severe accident might be happened, and the management have to face prosecution, and their goodwill will be deteriorated. The people who are new on my channel again are requested to subscribe my channel so that they may obtain daily basis updated videos. Thank you so much.